Hi everyone and welcome to Sheetgo's YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create an inventory barcode scanner template. There's plenty of barcode scanner tools available that allow you to even just use your phone, scan a product and then automatically update your inventory into Google Sheets. Then you simply adjust our pre-built inventory template to feed that data automatically into your check-in and check-out spreadsheets. And as a result, you can consult your automated inventory dashboard in our inventory template master sheet. But let me show you how it works in practice. I currently have the inventory management template installed on Sheetgo, as you can see right here. But let me open our check-in spreadsheet. There we go. Normally, you would manually fill out your data here in the check-in tab. So the time that you check in a product, its stock keeping unit, the item name, the quantity you're checking in, and the unit of measure. There's some sample data here that you simply remove, of course. But now we want to automate this with our barcode scanner app. I've created an extra tab here, barcode scanner, and I've simply installed a tool on my phone to be able to scan products, and that data will automatically flow into this spreadsheet. Let me show you. There we go, I'm checking a certain item in. That's it, that's how easy it goes. So I've just used my app to scan the barcodes of 2 different cleaning products and they've automatically populated in this spreadsheet. Now the only thing that you need to do is bring this information into your pre-built template, into your check-in file, of course. And you do the exact same for the checkout. So every time you want to check a product out, you simply scan it with your phone and it will register in the checkout spreadsheet. So here you can also create a new tab in which the data will flow if you connect it to your barcode scanner tool. Then what our template does, if you connect the data into our checkout spreadsheet, it will automatically flow into the dashboard. Let me show you. Sheetgo will automatically generate this current inventory list. As you can see, it's pre-built with formulas, and it will calculate how many items you checked in, how many items you checked out, and then of course how much inventory you have left, and also in percentages what's available. And then it will automatically update your dashboard. So you'll have a really great visual overview of your total items in stock, your sold out items, the average items you check out per weekday, the volume of items per day, and of course your oversold. This is how you can easily integrate a barcode scanning tool in our template. Of course, if you need some help with the formulas and to bring the system all together, you can contact us via the link that I'll put in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas and templates. Thank you very much.